Hi, I'm Zubinn from D3 Solutions. I attended the Practical Approach to Data Protection course. We provide software as a service to collect and manage data for the events industry. After 3 days of lessons, I realized the importance of handling data correctly and that you have to collect only the right amount of data for the purpose, and you can retain the data for a specific time frame. Data leaks do not have to be online. It can leak from a piece of paper. Practical approach is a good way to learn, where there are real-world examples and hands-on sessions that reinforce the concepts. The best part is that SkillsFuture credit covered most of the fees. I had only to top up $300. I would recommend this to every business owner if you want to stay in line with PDPC compliance.